Hey brothers. So I get asked a lot about how to apply beard oil and beard balm. And while the exact particulars behind it is varies depending on your personal preferences, the basics is for beard balm, when you well, let's start with beard oil first. I like to start with beard oil first. As soon as you get out of the shower while your hair is still wet, what you're going to do is take your favorite brand of beard oil, which is the Bearded Man Unscented right here, and you'll apply 6 to 8 drops depending on the length of your beard and personal preference. You're going to rub it all around your hands, and then you're going to go from the bottom to the top in your beard, rubbing it in really good. And a good rule of thumb is to think of your beard as a towel that you are drying your hands off of. And once you get most of it into the beard, I like to take a wooden comb and go through, and that kind of helps evenly distribute it throughout your hair. Then after you do that, you take your favorite brand of beard balm, which this is again the Bearded Man Beard Balm here, and the amount you get depends on your personal preference. I'm just going to use a little bit since my hair ain't very wet right now. You'll put it in the palm of your hand, and then you rub it together to get it nice and liquefied. And then again, with the first stroke, you go from the root to the top, and then after that, you rub it in really good. And again, think of your beard as a towel that you are drying your hands off of. And once it gets pretty much on there, I will one more time take my wooden comb and go through, make sure I get it on every hair. And once I feel like I've hit every area of it, I take a boar's hair bristle brush, and this kind of helps me get the waviness and the wildness down to a more uniform look, or at least my personal preference, a uniform look. And again, you gotta find which style works best for you, and that's what in general works for me. So I hope this helped answer a lot of people's questions out there. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more information like this. If you want to get on the inside track, send me an email to the email address down below, where you'll get more one-on-one information, more detailed information. And I will see everybody later. Bye guys.